What's up, brother? Today, I can't see very well.
Oh, you can't see.
Are you over here?
Yeah, I'm right here, dude. Chill.
Damn.
Is it your glasses?
Probably.
Here, let me...
I think they're OEM glasses. They're not very good.
Okay, here, let me give you some modified ones.
Okay. Are they like LEDs?
I got these for you.
Oh,
They're new
sick.
LED glasses.
That's sick.
Try them out. Oh,
Fuck.
wow.
What do you guys think of these puppies, huh? That shit's sick.
Simon?
All right.
Where'd you go? Where'd you... All right, guys, today we're going to be installing these AUXITO LED bulbs in the... What is your truck? In Simon's Ford 150.
Ford 150. I have not heard that one before.
In Simon's Ford F-150.
Yep. Now, full disclosure, this is actually our first sponsored video. It's kind of sick. Now, I did explain to the salesperson that offered these to us, hey, I'm going to review your product honestly, and if it sucks, so be it. If you still want to do the sponsorship and send it to us, that's great. And they said, sounds good. So we're going to be honest. Here we go. Let's see if they're worth it. Let's see how they are. We're going to start off with a before clip of kind of how it looks from the cab, driving the truck with the OEM, just regular bulbs. Here it is. Here's the before. Wow.
Wow, that was crazy.
That was nutty.
Those were some nice OEM bulbs. Now let's get these installed.
Hold on. It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Do you know what time it is?
Unboxing
Oh,
time! Shit, it has been a while. I didn't get what you were saying.
Cue the unboxing video.
Dude, I'm so edgy.
I know.
I got the coolest knife in town. All the other teenagers are gonna be so jealous. Mm-hmm. Safety first.
Yep. Nice packaging.
Hold on.
Can he get it?
All right. Ooh, gloves! It comes with gloves to actually change the bulbs? That's sweet.
That's actually premium as shit. Also, who the fuck has hands that size?
Well, maybe they stretch. Yeah, they stretch.
How much though?
Simon's gonna try out see if the glove is stretchy, because Simon's got big man hands.
If the glove fits. Wow. These are my new mechanic gloves. You won't be able to see what I've been working on. What else did they give us? Zip tie.
Zip ties.
Allen key.
Product manual. And then the bulbs and the wiring.
Yeah, these are supposedly plug and play. This little like inverter box or whatever converts the energy from I don't know, regular bulb energy to ratchet hoe energy so that these shits can shine bright like a diamond. I'm gonna explain to you what I think might be the problem with these for certain people. Noah had a Celica that was on this channel a couple times. It was a 2004 silver, super cool.
2002.
I gotta reflect on how I'm feeling. Hold on. I'm gonna vlog how I'm feeling right now. Neutral, slightly unpleasant. Yep. What best describes this feeling? Angry, annoyed, ashamed. What's having the biggest impact on me? Friends. They've been making fun of me all night. All right, it's been logged. Now my watch knows that I'm sad. You'll notice here, the lights are on the side. This front part doesn't have a light on it. That could pose a problem because on Noah's Celica, it had these types of lights in it and the headlights were shit. You couldn't see anything. And we tried aiming them, it didn't work because the light was coming from the side. And those headlights relied on the bulb facing forward to cast a beam of light. So these didn't work because they would just shoot it off to the side and there was nothing to reflect it. Now, on the F-150 here, and a lot of other vehicles, there's a little cone in front of the bulb that shoots the light from the bulb back and then reflects it out. That might change things. So we're gonna see how it does, see if it's an even beam pattern, see if it looks okay. And just keep in mind, if you don't have that front piece reflecting the bulb back and then out, these might not go so well for you. Lastly, on the design, I wanna point out that they have a cooling fan. That's cool. Get it? That's cool. Don't trip and die.
No, thanks.
Let's get crack-a-lackin'. All right, guys. This is how you get the headlights on the F-150. In here, see where my finger's at?
Yep.
That's a little twisty fella. You just kind of untwist them. These, you gotta take these two fellers out. They're a 5.5 millimeter. Thank you, Ford. You made me use a socket I never thought I would. This fucking rocks. Oh my gosh, please do this more. Frick off, man. There's one more 5.5 up here. There we go. Okay. Up in here. Boot on the bottom, a couple connectors, and then boot on the top. That boot on the top, that's what we're going for. I believe you just need to pull on them. Yep, you just pull it off. Just grab one of these tabs. You're gonna twist your headlight. It's kind of flat on the back and the connector connects up like that. You're gonna twist it to the left, lefty-loosey. There it is, just hanging. And it's just a squeeze tab. Get that sucker out of there. My headlight bulbs work great. I'm gonna keep these. Now I'm gonna verify the connectors are the same, and they are. Look at that. Go up in there, twist the headlight knob, one to the left. And the fuck are you doing? Are you twisting the wiper knob? No. Where's your headlight knob? Oh! Damn. And that bitch bright. All right, turn it off. Oh, man. Ah! Can you tell me if I'm in the hole?
You're right next to it.
No, I'm in it.
Oh, there you go, you're in it.
I'm in it, bro.
In it to win it.
There's no gap for cables, but this cable needs to hang down because I can't shove it in the headlight housing. Wait, that fan won't be able to blow anything. I might need to leave these off because that's just gonna block that fan. And if those actually get hot enough to be dangerous, I'm not fucking with that. Whoa. That's a straight beam.
Yeah.
It's not all crooked.
It's looking promising.
Whoa. Holy shit. That's actually pretty impressive. That is so much brighter. It also looks better. I much prefer blue or white light coming out of a headlight than that nasty yellow. All right, guys. I managed to kind of cram the connector back in the housing back where it was originally so that just that little power box is hanging out. That's secure enough for me. It's not going anywhere. I don't need to zip tie anything. We're now going to do the other side and then we'll show you the final result. Shall we do the final result?
Yes.
Okay. Look at the
Looks
wall.
good from the front. And those beams look good.
Lord of the Beams.
Lord of the Beams.
All right, let's go do our little drive again. By golly, that's brighter. And it's a different color. That there is a high quality product. Man, these lights are pretty good. If you liked these headlights and you would like some for your car, we actually have an affiliate link. We would love it if you used it. That's pretty cool. This is our first time doing this. Hell yeah. So we will have a link in the description, top link. That'll be our affiliate link. Or you can just go to the AUXITO website and use code GridEngine on checkout for 10% off your order. Kind of an absolute W in my opinion. That's cool. And they always seem to have sales going on the products, and you saw, they're pretty fucking sweet. They do their job well. Honestly, I expected them to be kind of trash, and I was gonna tell you that, but I was straight up surprised. So that's cool. As always, take it away, brother.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, make sure to check the description for links to the other stuff we do.
Sayonara.